What's up everybody, Fritz here, coming back at you from SVBimmer. Big grills on BMWs have been the topic of controversy of late, but the X5 can definitely pull it off. However, with a big grill on a big car, we require big amounts of air, which is exactly why we're removing this restrictive stock air box for the Dinan carbon fiber intake. Let's get into it. Unlike many intakes that get tucked deep in the engine bay, this Dinan system is meant to be seen, felt, and heard because it's not going into any SUV. It's going into the X5M, BMW's top-of-the-line performance SUV that deserves both the performance gains and aesthetic appeal of the Dinan intake and all that carbon fiber goodness. For those of you unfamiliar with Dinan, this is a brand that's not too over the top and designs its products to work seamlessly with the BMWs they're going in, versus a major overhaul and re-engineering approach. This will become more evident as we uninstall the OEM setup, as well as the surrounding trim, in order to install the Dinan intake, which appearance-wise will match seamlessly with its neighboring trim, in order to give the engine bay a nice pop without being too over the top. Dinan even makes use of the OEM air boxes, but by switching to the carbon cover, it increases the total size by 56%. And to accommodate for that increase in air, we have two high-flow filters that have 46% more filtering surface area than the OEM setup. This also allows the turbo to work more efficiently. By giving it more optimized airflow, the turbo can achieve its desired power outputs quicker and easier, giving you a more reliable turbo that will last longer. So if you want a faster and more reliable car, this intake will help you achieve both of those goals. Now for increasing airflow. In order to do this, we need to cut into the shroud here to pass our duct through, which will lead into the filters. The addition of the duct will lead to a 10% increase in total airflow, but also lower intake air temperatures. By gathering the cold air directly behind the grills and bringing it straight to the filters, then the turbos, gives the air less time to heat up, as was the case with the convoluted OEM setup. But true to Dinan history, this duct was designed to interact with the existing trim pieces and strut brace rather than overshadow them. Then once it's secured, we'll bring in our top piece, which takes direct inspiration from the cover it's replacing. Now you can experience the improved sound, throttle response, and appearance of the Dinan carbon fiber intake for your BMW X5M.
And just like that, we have this Dinan carbon fiber intake installed on this X5M. And if you're wondering why I'm standing like this, it's because this intake fits perfectly like a glove, or I should say the torso, with the air boxes representing the huge deltoids, filtering out the air, channeled all the way in from the air scoop down here. But in all seriousness, if you're looking to pick up this intake system for your X5M, it's gonna be in the links down in the description. And leave any questions that you have for us in the comment section. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future BMW videos. And we'll see all of you in the next one.